What's up, my integrated animal biology gamers? This is Thanendorf TV, and I am RJ.
And it's Rose.
And we are going to be doing a marine invertebrate review.
Get excited.
I've got a ton of videos lined up today, and we're going to be showing off these guys, and it's going to be freaking crazy. We've got starfish, we've got jellyfish, we've got snails. We don't have vertebrates because I wrote this script before we got to that in lecture. Alright, so these are the Asteroidia, otherwise known as the sea stars. They've got pentaradial symmetry, and they are apex predators, which means they're at the absolute top of the food chain, and what they do as a keystone species is regulate the population of mollusks in their habitat.
You know what's also interesting? They actually eat in a very interesting way. So they use their 2 feet suckers to pry open the shell, and then they extend the stomach out of their mouth, and then the prey is partially digested externally.
Dude,
that is so cool.
Alright, so this is a brittle star from the class Invertebrate of the phylum Echinodermata, and you can see here it's got 5 feet, or 5 arms. It's got that pentaradial symmetry, and even though it kind of looks like a sea star, it's a little bit different, because you know, it doesn't have those suckers on its 2 feet. Let's take a look at this again. Oh man, what do you think about that, Rose?
And it demonstrates self-amputation sometimes.
Autonomization, that's pretty sick, isn't it?
It is. So these, you guys, are nematocysts. They're actually used for hunting or defense. So they're stinging cells and they inject toxins into the body of the prey or the predator. And they just take microseconds, which is really cool because it's really, really fast for them to discharge, and the effects of the toxin works instantly.
Oh man, you gotta look. Look at the timer in the bottom left of the screen. It's so quick. It's going by literally milliseconds. And
Microseconds, actually.
Microseconds? Holy crap.
I know, so cool, right?
And like, they're super toxic. You never want to touch one of these.
These are anthozoans, sea anemones, and they have hydrostatic skeletons, and they swim by releasing their foot, which attaches to the rock that they're usually on, and then they contract each side of the longitudinal muscles to just do this weird swimming pattern.
Oh man, that guy is freaky, and it's literally just vibing back and forth. And I mean, that sea star looks kind of weird. It's only got 4 arms. I don't know what's up with that dude. And that fish in the background, he's like, what the frick did I just see?
You know, the reason why it's swimming is actually it's escaping from the sea star. The sea star wants to eat this thing, and it does not like that.
Yeah, this 4-armed sea star actually wants to eat this guy. They are the apex predators, and they are scary. This guy freaked out, man. This guy is a snail from the phylum Mollusca, and one of the synapomorphies of mollusks is the Radula, which is, you know, pretty freaking rad. There's a lot of different kind of mollusks with a lot of different kind of radulas. This one's used for scraping substrate, but other kinds of mollusks have real modified radulas that can look like a proboscis. It can inject venom into prey. They're pretty insane.
That's all for today, guys. Thank you for joining us on such a journey. We were really excited to talk about these. You should definitely like and subscribe to the channel below, and leave any comments if you guys want us to read them.
And thank you for watching.